The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Wabusha County in southeastern Minnesota, northern Buffalo County, until 8 p.m. At 7:12 p.m. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pepin County, southeastern Pierce County, southern Dunn County, southwestern Eau Claire County, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northeast of Pepin, or 12 miles north of Wabusha, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Durand and Eau Gallie around 7:30 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This thunderstorm is capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet, or basement. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. The National